Marriage is a social and legal institution that signifies a committed and formal union between two individuals, typically with the intent of forming a lifelong partnership. While the concept and practice of marriage can vary significantly across cultures and time periods, certain fundamental aspects of marriage remain consistent in many societies. Number one, legal contract. Marriage is often recognized as a legal contract between two consenting adults, granting them a unique set of legal rights and responsibilities. These rights and responsibilities can include inheritance rights, tax benefits, and the ability to make medical decisions for a spouse. Emotional and social bond. Marriage is a deeply emotional and social bond that goes beyond the legal aspects. It represents a commitment to love, support, and care for one another, typically with the goal of building a life together. Number three, public declaration. Marriage is often celebrated through a public ceremony or ritual in which the couple declares their commitment to each other before witnesses, family, and friends. This public declaration can take various forms, including religious or civil ceremonies. Number four, life partnership. Marriage often signifies a commitment to building a life together, which can include sharing finances, raising children, and supporting each other's goals and dreams. It is a partnership that involves cooperation and mutual support. Number five, responsibilities. In addition to rights, marriage comes with responsibilities. Spouses are expected to provide emotional and financial support to each other and may be legally obligated to do so, especially in the event of divorce or separation. Marriage is a multifaceted institution that fulfills various emotional, social, and legal functions in society. It can serve as a foundation for building families, a framework for sharing responsibilities, and a means of expressing love and commitment between two people. While the concept of marriage remains a fundamental institution in many cultures, it continues to evolve to accommodate changing societal norms and values.